How to check transaction history and wallet balance in Toobit. Hi everyone, welcome back to Trading for Beginners. If you want to stay on top of your wallet balances and transaction history, then here is how you can easily do it. First of all, open your Toobit application on your smartphone and log into your account. Once logged in, go ahead and tap on the Assets button at the bottom right corner. Inside the Assets tab, this will open up the Overview section where you need to tap on Spot at the top of the screen. Soon after you select Spot, you will see this Spot tab. This is where your crypto is stored when you deposit coins or buy tokens. From here, you will be able to find your estimated wallet balance. Go to the top of the screen and tap the eye icon to view your balance. You can go ahead and hide the balance again by tapping the same eye icon. You'll see a total USDT value of all your holdings. Now, in order to see your transactions, go to the top right and tap on this little button underneath Copy Trading in my case, and then you will see your wallet history. To find your transaction history, get back, scroll all the way down, and you'll be able to see your transaction history at the bottom. And that's how you will be able to find your transaction history and wallet balance in Toobit. If you found the video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to our channel. I will be back again in the next video. Stay tuned till then.